Hello, I'm Supri and today I'll be teaching you how to make a person walk on Adobe Animate. So let's start off by learning the 5 key frames. So first comes contact, then comes down, then there's past position, then there's up, and lastly there's contact again. As you can see, the first contact and the last contact are not the same. This is because in the first contact, the right arm and the right leg are in the front. And in the last contact, the right arm and the right leg are not in the front, they're at the back. Now we only have to work on the 4 frames because the first one, which is the contact, is already done. Now we only have 3 more frames to go. Let's start working on the third frame. So now we're done the 5 frames. But when we're making a person walk, we have to make them walk from one location to another. So that's all we have to do now. So now we have this. If you want to make this animation longer, then just copy paste these frames which you have already made and just repeat the same process again. And here's our final animation. And you can change the frames per second if you like by going on properties and frames per second. If it's too fast, you can make it slower, and if it's too slow, you can make it faster. Thanks for watching!